To deposit a check using the Bank of America mobile app, start by opening the app on your device and logging in with your online banking credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the menu and select the mobile deposit option. You will then be prompted to select the account where you want to deposit the check. So choose the correct account from the list of available accounts. Next, enter the amount of the check you are depositing, making sure to match it exactly with the amount written on the check. Take a picture of the front and back of the check using your device's camera, following the app's guidelines for proper check endorsement and image quality. The app will guide you through the process of taking and confirming the check images. After you have taken the pictures, review the deposit details to ensure everything is correct, including the account, amount, and check images. If everything is correct, submit the deposit. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your deposit has been received and is being processed. It is essential to note that there may be limits on the amount you can deposit using the mobile app, and some checks may not be eligible for mobile deposit. Additionally, it is crucial to keep the check in a safe place until the deposit has been confirmed and the funds have been made available in your account. To avoid any issues, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and the latest version of the Bank of America mobile app installed. It is also recommended to deposit checks as soon as possible to avoid any delays in processing. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely deposit checks using the Bank of America mobile app, saving you time and effort. Remember to always review the app's terms and conditions and any applicable fees associated with mobile deposit.